guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Britt and I'm an esthetician and holistic therapist. And yes, I'm Scottish, and yes, I've watched Highlander, but not because I'm Scottish, because of Jamie. So anyway, enough joking around. Today's video is going to be a demonstration and everything you need to know about double cleansing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all guys, let's cover what is double cleansing. Now, double cleansing is nothing new. It's been out for donkey's years. I've been doing it myself for 30 years. Oh my god, so now you know, you can work out the age. And I've been doing it on clients for 30 years. So basically, double cleansing has came to the forefront in recent times because of the interest in Korean skincare. So let's get on with the subject. Now, what is the purpose of double cleansing? Why is it important? And who should be doing double cleansing? So first of all, very importantly, is somebody like moi, somebody who wears makeup. Okay, that's first thing covered. Also, if you're wearing water resistant sunscreen. Okay, so first of all, we're taking off, think about the layers that have built up on your skin during the day. You have your skincare, then you have your sunscreen, then you have your makeup, and then you have the pollution and all the dirt in the air and all the grime. And excuse the oil slick, but I have been working today and I've came home dedicated in making this video. So we want to get that off the skin gently. Now, that's why it's important for your first cleanse to use an oil-based emulsion. Now, what is an oil-based emulsion? So you can use either a cleansing oil, a cleansing balm, a cleansing milk, a cleansing lotion, or a cleansing cream. The choice is totally up to you. But through experience, I have used a lot of them. Micellar water also, sorry. But through my own experience and also what I've used on clients, you know, when I'm in the spa, the best solution for dissolving that makeup for your first cleanse, without a doubt, is a cleansing oil, a cleansing balm that turns into an oil. So that is my opinion on that, to be honest with you. That is the most efficient in dissolving the makeup, because what the oil-based emulsion does is it lifts the top layer off. So it's lifting off the makeup, the sunscreen, etc. Now, for your second cleanse, you want to be using a gentle pH balanced cleanser. So what I mean by that is, for example, if you use an active cleanser, like I use this one in the morning, this is the vitamin C rock facial gel cleanser. Now this has glycolic acid in it, alpha hydroxys. So yeah, you have to change your skincare around. Use your active skincare cleansers in the morning. I find that that's the best way to make it work if you want to use an active cleanser. And another example here is a retinol deep wrinkle serum cleanser from Rock. That is what I mean by active cleansers. They have like retinol, vitamin C, glycolic acid, etc, etc. So you're wanting to use, for your first cleanse, an oil-based cleansing emulsion. For your second cleanse, a pH balanced gentle cleansing wash. So what I do use in this video is I'm going to use the ordinary squalane cleanser. This is a lightweight cleansing balm that turns into an oil. And then I'm going to use the soya face cleanser from Fresh. While I'm using them, I will talk about them. So the other thing, let's cover the do's and don'ts. So you do not want to, when you're double cleansing, even if it's a gentle facial cleanser, you don't want to be washing your face twice with a cleanser. Use an oil-based emulsion for your first cleanser, because that is what's going to dissolve the makeup quicker and get it off the skin. Also, because we have to wash the face twice, we do not want to over dry and irritate the skin. So that is the main importance behind it also. So the other thing not to do is, if you're using an oil-based emulsion, you must apply it onto a dry face. You do not wet your face with water. And the other thing is, you must rinse your face with plenty of lukewarm water, because if you use cold water, it's not going to emulsify and lift off properly, and you're just going to be there forever trying to remove it. So it's very important to use lukewarm water whenever you're washing the face. To go wash my hands, that's the first important thing we need to do. And I'm going to come back, put my hair back, and I'm going to get down and dirty on camera again and get mascara all over my face. This is becoming a habit. Okay guys, I'm back with the headband on. Let's get this oil slick face off. Yes, I do have oily skin. That's another thing. With me using the ordinary squalane cleanser, this is suitable for all skin types. You do not need to worry if you have oily skin like me. It is very gentle. It's not going to give you acne breakouts, nothing like that. So what I do is, you do not put this directly on the face. Okay, and I'm saying that because I've seen people doing it in YouTube videos. I'm like, Lord. Anyway, you rub it in your hands for 30 seconds till it turns into an oil. And I've got a mirror right in front of me here, and I'm sorry, but my bathroom is too wee to be kind of getting in there. So you're just going to have to watch me like this. So let's get this slap off the face. And now what this contains, you will have to massage your face for a couple of minutes. And what I do is, I put it on the face first, and make sure you go right down your neck, and then I'll show you why I go on the eyes last. You're going to get a good laugh, I can assure you. So what this has in it is lipophilic esters, which dissolve the makeup and lift it up off the skin, and it's so satisfying when you rinse your face and you look at all that disgusting brown water in the sink. Trust me. So anyway, and that's why you do think to yourself, geez, definitely double cleansing is the order of the day. So this has lipophilic esters, as I said, is what dissolves the makeup. We have squalane, which is nourishing and soothing, and this leaves your skin feeling lovely and soft and smooth and moisturizing. That's why I love this. It's totally good for anybody who has sensitive skin, because believe it or not, I have oily skin, but it's still very sensitive. So then I come here and rest. Now, you do this with any makeup remover on your eyes, because the eyes is very sensitive, and I'm doing this because it helps loosen the mascara, and you know, you don't want your eyelashes falling out, so be gentle. This is the part where you have to have the most patience, because it's really the mascara removal that is more annoying than anything. So you see me doing this, it does not sting your eyes or anything like that, it's very gentle and lovely. This is the third time I have done this on camera. It's crazy. I'm all over YouTube with mascara all over my face. Just as well as Scottish folk have a sense of humour, right? So, with that all loosened up, what you do now, and I cannot show you because my bathroom is way too small, I'm going to rinse off with lots of lukewarm water, and I'm going to come back with my face still wet. I'll explain that when I come back. As you can see, my face is still wet from just rinsing it, and it's an important fact I want to say to you. Once you've rinsed your face and your face is still wet, go on to your second cleanse. So I'm using here the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And you'll see that the Ordinary, I covered it in the review. It doesn't take the mascara off completely, as you can see. So with the Fresh Cleanser, I can take off face and eye makeup. So it doesn't matter that the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser doesn't take off all my mascara. That's not an issue for me. So I'm using this here, and this is also a very gentle cleanser you can use on the face and the eyes. Make sure you're cleansing all over. You're getting into your hairline, down the neck, now the soil cleanser is pH balanced face wash. It's got cucumber extract, so it cools and soothes the skin. It has rose water, which calms and soothes the skin also, and it has soya proteins, which is rich in amino acids, which improves elasticity and is smoothing. So with your second cleanse, just like I covered in my other video about cleansing the face properly, make sure you're massaging the product in for a minute. Okay, but no more than that, because then you're going to over dry the skin. The most important part is take your time with the first cleanse, because that's when you want to get all the makeup off. Because now what we're doing is cleansing a bare skin with just a little bit of mascara there, and we're cleansing to get into the pores and deeply clean the skin without over drying. So on that note, I better go and rinse off. Gently pat the face dry. And to take off your first cleanser, if you wish, you can use like a damp washcloth that's got lukewarm water on it, and wipe first, and then rinse at the sink, if that is any easier. Personally, I just love the feeling of lots of rinsing and water off my face. So your next step, you would leave the face a little bit damp. If you do not use a toning lotion like myself, you would go straight on to your serums, the rest of your skincare routine. Personally, this is what I do at night time. I use this one here from Fresh, and it has all these little rose petals in it, you see, but I didn't pick it for that purpose, not aesthetic. This has rose and hyaluronic acid, and this is a deep hydrating toner. So, and it has a gorgeous smell. Some scents are nice, they're not all bad. So what this does is softens and refines the look of pores, which I am seeing is helping. It tones the skin. It's got rose water, which soothes and calms. Rose oil nourishes the skin, and hyaluronic acid, as we know, attracts moisture, and it has a plumping effect. So that is how you would do your double cleanse in your evening skincare routine. So with that being covered, because I know I can talk a lot, I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you like the content. I do plenty of tutorials, demos, wee bit makeup too, but mostly skincare. So until the next skincare video, I will say adios, over and out, and night night. Bye.